What we'll do now?
Yeah.
Okay, you wait right there. Okay, now, I want you to ease up to it. Sneak up on it. Get closer. Take a step. That's too close. Back up. Turn around. Get closer. Get closer. Turn the other way.
David, he wasn't even looking at you. How does he know which way to turn?
After you turn one way, after you turn around one way, there's only one way left to turn. That's the other way.
You mean to tell me this dog knows the process of elimination?
Process of elimination? Yeah, walk around in my backyard barefoot. You'll find that out real quick. All right, sneak up on it. Get closer. All right, now I'm gonna count to 3. Now, when I say 3, you get that ball, but don't you get it till I say 3.
You said 3 several times. When he gets the ball.
Well, how am I gonna tell him when to get it without telling him when I say 3, you can get it? What am I gonna do? Say when I say, you know what, you can get it? He understands. Why don't you?
I said 3 too.
All right, let's do this right. Get closer. Get closer. All right, 1, 2, 5, 7. Okay, I'll be nice. 9, 11, 3. Good. Good.